Shame on you. Shame on Snuki.
And if it happens, we can't get into a coalition.
You accept that man. You accept that man. A racist of note. Oh, shame on you.
Are you open to working with the EFF?
Shame on you. Shame on Snuki.
And if it happens, we can't get into a coalition with a party that does not believe in our constitutional democracy, which does not even believe in the rule of law in this country. We cannot get into that coalition because where's our pride? Where's our pride as African National Congress, as a South African nation? We cannot do that. People did not vote for us to go into a coalition with parties that do not respect our constitutional democracy and that do not believe in the rule of law.
Yes, Snuki. Why is he not giving us an expert opinion on prisoners that are working with Cyril in the cabinet and in the municipality? In the municipality, there is a video of MMC of transport where he was calling private parts of women in a video. After he dropped that thing, he was rewarded with an MMC position. That's the kind of leadership you have, and you want to compare that to Dunga? Shame on you, shame on Snuki. Maybe that video is exciting him, old as he is, where the MMC of transport was calling private parts of women integrity committee. What is integrity about calling private parts of women? Go and look before you pass judgment on Dunga. Look at the kind of people they work with. That minister of correctional service, an apartheid apologist, a man who possibly could have even killed black people. That man, a racist of note. Those are the kind of, you accept that man, you accept that man who probably was participant at Flag Plus. You accept work with him. But you refuse a young, genius African person and you want to call yourself a revolutionary. Oh, shame on you.